Did you know a single teaspoon of standing water can hatch over 300 mosquitoes? That's hundreds of blood-sucking pests from just a bottle cap's worth of water. But what if I told you there's a tiny floating ring that could destroy thousands of them before they ever bite? Today, I'm unlocking the secret behind Mosquito Dunks, a small, mighty, and mind-blowingly effective tool every gardener, homesteader, and backyard warrior should be using. First, why do these even work? Let's break down the mosquito life cycle. Mosquitoes go through 4 stages. Egg, larva, those are the wrigglers you see in water. Then pupa, and finally the adult. Here's the thing. 3 out of 4 of those stages happen in water. Eggs are laid on stagnant water, hatch into larvae, grow, and then become flying adults. So, if I stop them before they fly, I win the war. What exactly are mosquito dunks? They look like little beige donuts, but inside, each dunk is Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis, or BTI for short. BTI is deadly to mosquito larvae, but totally safe for people and pets, birds, bees, and butterflies, even frogs. When you drop a dunk into standing water, it dissolves. The larvae feed on it, their stomach lining is destroyed, and they die before they ever grow wings. One dunk can kill hundreds, even thousands of larvae, month after month. Want to supercharge your dunk? Grab a black 5-gallon bucket, some grass clippings or leaves, a dunk, and water. Fill your bucket, toss in the debris, drop in the dunk, and set it about 20 feet from where you hang out. Now you've got a mosquito magnet. They lay eggs, and the dunk wipes them out. Each dunk lasts up to 30 days, covers 100 square feet of water, and keeps working if the water dries up and refills. Break a dunk in half for bird baths, rain barrels, or little saucers. Backyard trials show mosquito populations drop fast, within 48 to 72 hours. No chemicals, no sprays, no harm to pollinators. Just one little donut and a mosquito apocalypse. If you're tired of itchy arms and ruined evenings, hit subscribe and let's reclaim your garden, one dunk at a time. Tell me in the comments if you've tried Mosquito Dunks, and share this with a friend who needs mosquito relief like yesterday.